everyone, Michelle Litwiller here with Owl Star Stampers, and I am super excited to share with you an awesome class I have. It's a mega masculine card class. So I don't know about you, but I always struggle with having masculine cards. And in our new catalog, we have the perfect suite called He's the Man. And this was one of my favorite suites when the new catalog came out. I was so excited about this. This has the most awesome pack of 12 by 12 designer series paper. There's a coordinating stamp set and dies. There's some rustic metallic dots, and I just love everything about it. It's a set that is fun for any type of man in your life. You will love it. And the colors, there's so many fun, nice colors. So anyway, in this class, you have until, let me see my paper. You have until June 7th, or if it sells out, I have a limit in my head, and when it gets to that, I'm just going to cut it off. So you have now until June 7th of 2022 to sign up, or if it fills up before. And in this class, you are going to make 10 different projects, 10. So we have 8 different cards. You're going to do a cute little pouch that you could put candy or something. You might get the brown version of this. It looks cute decorated either way. Or you could put a little gift in here. And then you're going to make an 8x8 shadow box. So you'll need your own shadow box frame. We've been doing these a lot with the Stamp Camp. So I did a masculine one. And it will look like this. It's kind of almost like a little scrapbook page. You can add a photo in here, a 4x4 photo, I believe. And it's going to use a lot of pieces of that paper. So cute little home decor thing you can make, give to the man in your life. And then we have 8 cards. So I did use a stamp set. A lot of them did not use a stamp set. But here's just a little quick sneak peek at some of the cards that you're going to make. And I love the little camping ones. So we have a couple with the camping and the little thing there. So in this class, you're also going to get over $33 worth of products. The designer series paper, some of the dots, and the thread, at least that's what I plan on using. The bag. The class itself is only $49 for all 10 projects over the $33 of products, plus that includes shipping to you. And so that is what is included in this class. Now I do have a couple add-ons to this class. Number one, you're gonna probably want the stamp set. Now, if you don't, you could make these cards without the stamp set. You just have to change them a little bit. But if you want them exactly, because the stamp, the paper comes with all those awesome die cuts. So you could tweak and change them a little bit if you don't want to deal with the stamp set, the stamping anyway. But you can add on the stamp set and or the bundle. The dies are really awesome. I actually have 2 sets of the dies because there's a lot of cool shapes. The other add-on is a card class that we're going to be doing. It's only $25. You're going to do 5 cards. It's going to come with some designer series paper and embellishments. And we're using the bottled happiness bundle. So with the vintage bottle and the punch and then that stamp set. If you don't have that bundle or stamp set, you can add that on. I'm going to be using both on my cards if you don't want to fussy cut the little bottles out. And then the other add-on, I recently did this for a bingo for their make and takes and gifts, was this awesome kit. It's called A Million Thanks. And if you just want a quick little kit to do or a gift, I will include this. This one's only $21 and it makes 9 cards. And you see that's like they're embossed, and then there's this one and this. So this comes with the block, the little clear block, the ink spot, and the stamp set, and all the pieces to make these 9 cards. And so you can obviously take the stamp set and make other cards, or you can change these cards as well. But there's that as an add-on as well. So I hope that you love the masculine class and all the fun projects. Don't forget to sign up right away in case you don't want to miss out on this. It's going to ship around June 16th. So you probably will not get this in time for Father's Day. The PDF will also ship, or not ship, email out that day. And what else am I forgetting? I think that's it. So if you would like to get any of these to go or ship to you, be sure to register below and get any of the add-ons that you need. And I hope you enjoy this awesome class as much as I had enjoyed creating it for you.